All right, today I'm going to tell you how to fix that annoying screaming whine sound that you get after you install almost any intake on one of these Passats and many other Volkswagens as well. I'm going to tell you how to fix it. Everybody will tell you, go ahead and do the diverter valve. That will fix it. But yet I know a bunch of people online with Passats that say it did not fix theirs. And the other thing is, the diverter valve on this one is... Where is it? Is that it right there? Yeah, see that? It's in there, man. It is really in there, and it is not easy to, you gotta like lift this whole thing up and take the wheel out and take the fender liner out and sometimes loosen the, no. So here's how you fix it. You take that shit out and you put your stock one back in, because then you won't hear the shit like this.